Hey, this is my Mazda RX-8. Let's take a look. Look at the alloy wheels, it's fantastic. Right, this video is too close, so it might not look that much beautiful or that much nice. I'm doing it for my iPhone 4S. I'll just put the engine on and listen to my exhaust, okay? Put the lights on. So the lights goes from here. I don't know if you can see it. This. That's it. I'm running my iPod. There it is. See this? That's what I'm playing. I don't use CD. I use this. Well, I've got toilet roll there, boy. I know. Sometimes need some tissues. There you go. Well, here's the engine. Let's turn these down. Okay, listen to these. Listen to these. Look at this beauty, man. Love this car. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a next video with exactly while I drive it, okay? I'll do it in my park, in the area where I live, so that'll be much better rather than doing on the street. Yeah, that's it for now.